Before starting waterproofing, thoroughly clean the terrace surface. Remove all dust, oil, grease, algae, and loose particles. Repair any cracks or damaged areas using a suitable repair mortar, and ensure proper slope is provided wherever water tends to accumulate. Next, lightly wet the surface. It should be damp but free from standing water. This helps improve the adhesion of the waterproofing coating. Now prepare the waterproofing material according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mix it well to obtain a smooth, lump-free, and uniform consistency. Apply the first coat evenly over the entire surface using a brush or roller. Pay special attention to critical areas such as corners, parapet junctions, pipe outlets, and drain outlets. If the surface is prone to cracking, reinforce joints and critical areas with fiberglass mesh to improve the strength and durability of the waterproofing system. Once the first coat becomes touch dry, typically after 4 to 6 hours, apply the second coat. For better coverage and performance, apply the second coat perpendicular to the direction of the first coat. Properly executed waterproofing protects the terrace from leakage, seepage, and water damage, ensuring long-term durability and performance.